Are you struggling with an error while trying to merge mappings in the new machine learning module? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle the issue of merging non-object mappings with object mappings in Elasticsearch. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to analyze your HTTP access logs, and an error pops up just when you think you're making progress. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out saying they were trying to identify rare response codes in their HTTP access logs stored in Elasticsearch. They set up a detector with the function rare and the by field name as response. But when they saved the job, they encountered an error message. So, what does this error mean? The message indicates that there's a conflict between the data types of the response field. It seems that Elasticsearch is trying to merge a non-object mapping with an object mapping, which is not allowed. Let's break this down further. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the error, but also how to fix it effectively. Trust me, you won't want to miss the solution. To address the user's issue, we first need to check the mapping of the response field in Elasticsearch. The user should access the index mapping to see how the response field is defined. Next, the user should verify if the response field is defined as an object or a different type. If it is defined as an object, this could be causing the merge error. If the response field is indeed an object, the user will need to update the mapping. This can be done by re-indexing the data into a new index with the correct mapping for the response field. Finally, after re-indexing, the user should retry saving the job in the machine learning module. This time, it should work without the merge error. Fun fact, did you know that Elasticsearch was originally developed to help with search capabilities? Now it's a powerful tool for data analysis and machine learning. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the error arises from attempting to change an existing mapping in Elasticsearch, which is not allowed. Instead, you need to create a new index with the correct mapping. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your field mappings before running analyses. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to resolve the merging error in your machine learning module. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way.